Okay, today we will see about the underbody of the platform. So the first assembly, if this is a front bumper beam assembly. Okay, this front bumper beam assembly. Let me open the PDF. This is the bumper beam assembly. Okay, this is the engine room area. This is crush box. Okay, so this bumper beam and the crush box are bolted to the complete under. Okay, that is the reason they have been added this one. Okay, this is the bumper beam and this is the crush box. Okay, okay, here you can see this is the crush box. Here, this is the structure they will bolt on it. This complete thing. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this one, the purpose of this crush box is during the crash, okay, it has to crush and absorb the energy. Okay, that is the major purpose of the crush box. See here, during the crash, this is the original size. During the crash, okay, this will crush, okay, and it absorb the energy. Purpose for this crush box. This contains the crush box outer panel and the inner panel and the connecting plate. Okay, this is the inner panel, this is the outer panel, there is a connecting plate. Okay, inner panel, outer panel, the connecting plate for the bumper beam. And this area we used to have some tow hook. The tow hook fixations will be there.
Okay, sir. Like,
So this is the front bumper beam assembly. The next it's the front frame assembly. Okay, this front frame assembly is this one. This blue color parts are the front frame assembly. Okay, the major purpose for this front frame assembly is, okay, during the frontal crash. Okay, see here, during the crash, most of the load it will be transmitted through this frame only. Okay, some of the load will be transmitted to the major load. It will be transmitted through the front frame. Here you can see the major load it transmit to this area. Some load it will be transmit to some upper panel. This I will explain. Okay, so this is the major load path for the frontal crash. Okay, it should be high strength in order to withstand the load. Okay, this we used to call it as a front longitudinal member. Okay, and this is the in every panel we used to have some outer panel and the inner panel. Okay, front frame assembly part, this is the one. Okay, this is the one, it will be connected to the bumper beam. Okay, the majorly it will comes and it will go under the center floor. This is the center tunnel. So this is the load path. During the crash, the load will be passed through this way only. Okay, this is the conjunction area. Okay, so this one, it is for the front radiator grill support. This is the front frame assembly. This is the front frame assembly. This is the front frame assembly reinforcements. And I will explain those area one by one. So this is the front frame assembly. This is the radiator connector. These parts are one, two, some reinforcement, which will comes under the platform structure. So this is the front frame assembly. This is the reinforcement. This will becomes under the center floor for the better load crash transmit. These are the reinforcement. This is front frame assembly. This longitudinal member is this one, these members. Okay. In some vehicle, these two will not be there. Only this and this will be there. For high-end vehicle, yeah, for the better transmit, they added few more reinforcements. Okay, this is the parts. This is the front frame assembly. This is the inner, and there is the outer. Okay, this part is the radiator support that I will show you. This one. This is for the radiator support. Okay, this area, the radiator will be fixed. This area, this one, between this and this. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. This part. After this, we have a front wheel arch assembly. This is the front wheel arch. Okay, this is the front wheel arch. This is the front wheel arch extension. That means this part here, you can see this is the front wheel arch. This front front wheel arch extension will come. This is the front wheel arch. Okay, this is the front wheel arch extension part which will come in front. Okay, then this is the area, the radiators, suspension tower. This is the one. The suspension fixation will be there in the top. The front wheel suspension will fix here. The front wheel suspension strut will come here. Okay, strut. Okay, this is the panel. This is the suspension strut tower they used to call, which will cover the front suspension area. Okay, this is the one, the suspension tower. This area, the center suspension will be fixed. Okay, this is the wheel arch and this is the wheel arch extension. This is the connector part between the radiator grill support to the this part. Okay, this part. This is the radiator grill support. This is the extension part. It will connect to the shotgun. Okay, we have a two shotguns, shotgun outer and the shotgun inner. Okay, the shotgun where it is come is this is the shotgun area. This one, which will connect to the A pillar. Okay, this area it's a shotgun area. This is the shotgun outer. This area, this is the shotgun inner. Shotgun outer. Okay, this is also for the load transmit. Okay, so this is the shotgun area. Above this area, we used to have two brackets that is for the fender fixation. This is the bumper beam. This is the crush box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the radiator support grill. This is the suspension tower. This is the wheel arch. This is the front that means the front longitudinal member, the inner panel. This is the outer panel for that same. Okay. So this area, if you hide the fender, this is the shotgun. This is for the fender mounting bracket.
Okay, sir. Understand, sir.
Okay. This is for the fender fixation.
Okay, sir.
Here you can see this one and this one for the fender fixation. So these two brackets for the fender mounting brackets.
Okay, sir.
This all about the front area.
Okay, sir.
Then we will see the dash panel. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
is the dash panel and this is the cowl panel.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This cowl panel, how does it works? Okay. This area, the glass will be fixed. The lower,
So front side window, front side glass.
front windshield glass, we used to say. Okay. This area, we will fix the glass. The top will be fixed here and the bottom here it will be. Okay. So the water which will come from the roof from the glass area, okay, that will be come in this area only. So this cowl panel, some OEM they used to call it as a water drain channel because this water will be drained in this area.
Oh, when during the rain time, it's
Yeah.
okay.
So the water during the washing, okay, so wherever the rain, okay, this area there is a hose that will go down. This is the water drain channel. This is the water drain hose will be fixed here.
Okay, sir.
And this is the wiper mounting motor bracket. This
Okay.
area and this area, two wipers will be fixed. Okay, this area, the motor will be fixed for the wiper actuating.
Wiper motors.
Yeah, wiper motor.
Okay.
So this is the cowl panel. Okay, this is the dash panel. Okay, since this is the left hand side vehicle, this area they will have the steering. Okay, this is the left hand side vehicle.
So not Indian side.
Not Indian vehicle.
Okay, sir.
If it's Indian, it will be like a symmetrical one. This side the steering it will come. This is the bracket for the accelerator brake clutch mounting. Those brackets will be fixed here.
Actually,
Done? Okay, so this is the major parts which will come in the dash panel. Okay, and in this area, there are two reinforcement they used to add for the crash purpose. The reinforcement will be added. This is the steering mounting bracket. This area we have the brake and clutch mounting bracket. This is this panel based on the complexity they divided the dash panel into two parts, upper panel and the lower panel. I will show in the vehicle level so that you understand. This is the dash upper panel. This is the dash lower panel. Steering mounting bracket. This is the pedal and accelerator mounting bracket. This is the dash reinforcement. This is the this one cowl panel. This one.
For
Okay.
drain water that will keep.
Yeah, yes. So this in the dash panel outer, between the frames, they used to have a dash cross member. Okay. Is it clear? All these things?